Good afternoon, students. Our last video we have discussed about the defects of vision, myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. Now we are going to discuss chapter 11, human eye and colorful world. The topic refraction of light through a prism, and the another topic dispersion of white light by glass prism. Now what is a prism? A prism is two types. It is a glass prism and a water prism, and a prism consists of three angles, that is A, B, C, and this A angle is called angle of prism. This A angle is called what? Angle of prism. So what happened here? The refraction term, all of we know about this refraction term. We have studied chapter number 10. We have studied about the refraction. And what happened when a beam of light go through a glass prism? If a beam of light go through a glass prism, that is two times refraction happen. How many times? Two times. The first time from this this position, and the second time this. Okay. There are two types of refraction is occur here. So I separate these two phase like that. This one AB phase and AC phase. Okay. So what happened when the beam of light, go from a source, this beam of light falls on the first phase, that is AB, then a refraction occur here. This is angle of incident. You know na? This one N and this is a normal. You assume this AB is like a mirror, is like a medium. That is like a medium. This one is another medium, and this one is another medium. You consider this one is air medium and this one is water medium. Then what happened when this incident light falls on this plane, that is the goes through the another medium? Then what? The speed of light decrease. If the speed of light decrease, then the path of this incident light is changed. The path of the ray is changed. That is the angle of refraction is occur here. Angle of refraction is here. This one called angle of refraction, and this one called angle of incidence. We have studied about this. So this incident is happening here, AB phase, and after that, after refraction at point this one, this ray again falls on this surface, AC. After falling this surface, again refraction occur here. Okay. After falling this surface, again refraction occur here, and the rays go like this way. Okay. Now see, this N and N dash are normal. Normal is perpendicular to the surface of the incident, and this one also is N and M dash are normal for this surface, and the N and M dash is normal for this surface. And what happened when we produce this incident? This one incident ray, when we produce this incident ray like that, and when we produce this emergent ray, this ray is called what? Emergence ray. When we produce this incident ray and emergence ray, they meet at point and forms an angle, and this angle is known as angle of D, that is angle of deviation. Angle of deviation. Okay. You have to note down that the angle of deviation is different for different color. Okay na? So angle of deviation is different for different color. So this is the what happens when refraction, when the light reflect, when light falls on a prism and reflect two times. What happened in this diagram? This angle of deviation is occurred here. Angle of emergence is the normal and the emergence ray. Angle of emergence is what? Is an angle between emergent ray and normal to the point of emergence. This one called emergent ray, and this one called incident ray. This one called refracted ray. So here two times refraction occur, and after that this refraction of light through a prism, we are going to discuss about dispersion of white light by a glass prism. Now what is dispersion? Dispersion is a phenomenon of dispersion of split of white light. Sorry, it's not dispersion. Splitting of white light. Phenomenon of split of white light into its constituent colors is called dispersion. phenomenon of split of white light. You know that white light consists of how many colors? 7 colors. Okay, white light consists of 7 colors. What are they? We can write VIBZYOR. V means violet, I means indigo, B means blue, Z means green, Y means yellow, O means orange, and R means red. So what happens when white light falls on a prism? White light falls on a prism, then it split up into its constituent 7 colors, that is red to violet, red to violet. Okay, so why we marked here, why we marked the first ray, first emergent ray as red? Because red has larger wavelength. And you see, this one we have studied the angle of deviation for the red light, and after that light, this one is the angle of deviation. After this light, color, this one is the angle of deviation. After this color, this one is the angle of deviation. That means the angle of deviation increases for the different colors. So we get the what? The angle of deviation for red color is minimum. Okay na? So angle of deviation is red color is minimum and have large wavelength. So we can see a red color is frequent. We can see red color very easily than a violet color. So after that, this dispersion phenomenon, by this dispersion phenomenon, rainbow is we can see a rainbow. Rainbow formation is caused by what? Dispersion. How? See, a raindrop. This one is a raindrop. A raindrop behaves like a prism. Okay, a raindrop behaves like a prism. When sunlight falls on this raindrop, it split up into its constituent colors. That is 7 colors, and we can able to see what? The 7 colors. That is the 7 colors what? VIBZYOR. You have to remember this. So what is dispersion? The phenomenon of split of white light into its constituent color is called dispersion, and refraction of light through a prism. Thank you. Today's video is over.